Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to merge cells in Draw.io. Merging cells is useful when working with tables to combine multiple cells into a single larger cell. First, open your diagram in Draw.io. If you select multiple normal shapes and go to the Arrange panel, you will not see a Merge option. Now add a table into your canvas and move the table to a convenient position in your diagram. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard and click to select the table cell that you want to merge. Let's say I want to merge these two cells, so hold the Control key. Double-click on a cell to select it, then select the other cell that you want to merge. After both cells are selected, go to the Arrange tab. You will see an option called Merge, so click on Merge. The selected cells will combine into a single cell. And that's it. We just learned that cell merging works only in tables and how to merge selected table cells using the Arrange panel in Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.